Only 2 out of 15 vehicles in the small crossover category earned an overall good rating. In the first frontal crash test in the U.S. to include a rear dummy, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety reported this just this week. The 2022 through 2023 Ford Escape, built after May, and the 2021 through 2023 Volvo XC40 were the only vehicles to earn this rating. So this more challenging test adds a dummy representing a small person or 12-year-old in the back seat or second row seat behind a driver. It also uses new metrics focusing on the injuries most frequently seen in rear seat passengers. The 2021 through 2023 RAV4 earned an acceptable rating, while the Audi Q3, Nissan Rogue, and Subaru Forester from those same model years earned a marginal rating. The list you see here are vehicles that earned a poor rating. You see there the Encore, Equinox, CR-V, HR-V, Tucson, Compass, Renegade, CX-5, and Eclipse Cross, and you also see the model years associated with that. However, all 15 vehicles earned a good rating in the Institute's original test, which came out in 1995, where a vehicle travels at 40 miles per hour toward a barrier and a dummy representing an average-sized adult man is positioned in the driver's seat. The new version uses the same test speed, offset, and barrier as the original, according to the Institute. Stellantis recalls 1.4 million Ram trucks due to a tailgate issue, and it's a big one. So Stellantis announced plans to recall 1.4 million full-size Ram pickup trucks because the tailgate may open while a truck is being driven. Yeah, that's pretty important. The vast majority of these, 1.23 million, were sold in the U.S., another 120,000 in Canada, while the rest are in Mexico and outside North America. This recall covers various Ram pickup trucks from 2019 through 2022. They include the 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, if the tailgate accidentally opens while the truck is being driven, whatever cargo is in the bed of the pickup could slide out of the back, like we needed them to tell us that. This could also cause a road hazard, obviously increasing the potential of a crash of people around you. The company, which discovered the issue last year and opened an internal investigation in July of 2021, said no crashes or injuries have occurred as a result of this problem. However, there were more than 800 warranty claims issued for this problem. Stellantis is using improved alignment tooling now during the process of production, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's records. So if you have one of these vehicles between 2019 and 2022, 1500, 2500, and 3500, you can bring your vehicle, once notified, to the dealership, which will inspect the tailgate striker alignment to the box latch and adjust it if necessary. This is according to the company. Notification letters are expected to be mailed out in January, maybe around the 23rd, 27th, they say. Owners may contact Stellantis at 1-800-853-1403. On a related note, a major recall on the Honda CR-V and HR-V could be coming soon. Two of Honda's most popular vehicles are now being probed. That's got to be uncomfortable. By the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration after an unusual number of owners reported serious problems with the differential. The investigation covers as many as 1.7 million 2018 through 2022 CR-V and HR-V crossovers equipped with all-wheel drive. More specifically, many of these vehicles have experienced a rear differential lockup at speeds, causing a drive shaft fracture and a loss of power. It appears that a leaking differential seal could be to blame. According to Reuters, Honda is aware of the investigation and is cooperating, and depending on the conclusion of this probe, a recall could follow. And earlier this year, an investigation was launched into 1.7 million 2018 through 2019 Honda Accord and 2017 through 2019 Honda CR-V vehicles equipped with their collision mitigation braking system after receiving some 300 complaints from owners. That investigation is still ongoing and no recall has been issued from the company yet. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.